Which is good for you? Google Guarantee, Google Verified, or Google Screened? Do you know what Google Guarantee means? It means that Google verifies that you are a trusted vendor to do business with, and Google guarantees that you are. This becomes a huge form of recommendation by the search engine itself, and is a great gesture on the part of Google to do this for our local business communities. More than 70 types of businesses can now qualify for local service ads. Are you on the list to qualify? Check the lists here. Help your business stand out with a badge of trust, helping those searching know you're a fully licensed and vetted Google-backed business.